Hello, guys. Hello, guys. They come and back door, make I know so that I will not disturb anybody. Okay. So, hello, my people. Try to share this video, guys. Hello, my people. Hello, my people. Hello, my people. Hello, my people. The wash base. I want to do akara. So, guys, share this video. Share this video. Share this video. I have Ogbonge matter, my beautiful people. When I see my message there, guys, reply to Kokobiri wife. You know, say, when I good morning, my beautiful people. Please try to share this video, guys. Try to share this video. I'm not saying that kitchen she stay when she the nyama pata. You understand? So share this video, guys. They come here. Okay. Comment section. So good morning, everybody. Good morning, my people. I greet you now so much. Now good morning, now good afternoon, wherever you dey watch from. So guys, I dey wash beans for akara, guys. So my beautiful people, I greet you now well. Share the video, share. Get Ogbonge matter, my beautiful people. So my people, how una dey? I hope una dey fine. Yes, so now good morning. Good morning, my lovely people in the house. Mona share Ogbonge matter dey o. Mona share. Good morning, guys. So my people, how una dey? I greet you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. This is Vera TV program. So my people, I hope una dey fine. I greet you now. For anything where una for the watch me for depends on our time, my beautiful people, my beautiful lovers. So I go see right now they won't watch I watch beans, I want to do akara. So my people, una they know where they go on. Wanna share, yeah. Oh, thank you. Share. Matter de mona share. Oh, my darling Blair. Afana, good morning. How you doing? So I'm gonna share this video, my lovely people, my lovely beautiful people. So when I go know who be a woo teeth person, whether they call a woo for social media, Kokobiri wife. Kokobiri. After Nigeria after Nigeria guy don't break your side mirror. Now Kokobiri couple to where. After many years in abroad, Rita, Kokobiri, that you're stinking and yeah. Oh, wish me fall we fall. Me tell you, say I ready to step down for social media. But boy, fear kunle lowe. Where anyhow, you see anyhow. Ahem, what me Vera would there. If you know the feel, say if you see Vera for road, you go march and down. That your remaining titi, me I help you arrange and wear for you. Wow, fear too. By the way, I cry for my page or I do video for my page. I that one table and business. And to my beautiful people, wait till I call they change my video for me. Ever tell and say I get why they work for. I stand for the truth. Right and wait for me. Kokobiri, una no, I know that in bed. We don't need to measure that as thinking name here. It's shakuna. Ipenuna, I not be fool. Even though my money can get what she do me. Now my lady, maybe I go my cool because no one not go verse for that lady. He sit down for a house and she used brave for the matter. Will be say enemy of progress carry my matter go give her. She not talk that matter 2 times. She not talk her. So Mona not even though my Monica now could be over bad person. for this social media, in fact, for the whole world. I will never neglect her. I will never betray her. Everywhere na better. I will never betray her. My people, I do video for my. I come and command this. I do video for my. For my page. When I do video for my page, my people, I not call anybody me. They begin carry the video because of who. By the way, Kokobiri wife, come. You were not the shaft after many years. 2 times now you pay madam. Useless she good. Or he say, I don't get my freedom from madam hands. I don't get my freedom. Where them we were called the war. If you wish me bad, you see bad. If you wish me evil, you see evil. If you wish me any bad thing, I not wish you bad. By the way, when you say me, they talk to you, me, they talk to you. You know, yes, I tell you for the video, say you don't get what you do me, but when you they shook mouth for people matter. When you carry yeki matter, now the truth I can't talk. No, as you take the claim, say, now truth you talk for people matter. Now truth you talk for this one matter. Isha, so we are so die. We gonna me amioge renogbe. You get brain, you get sense. What have you achieved? Then for the abroad, which good important thing when you don't achieve? When you want to get mark, cut the talk, master. Which master they send you message? Which person they send you message or evil message? They when you want to get mark, cut the talk, say, and I say, when I share my people, now I said that they send you evil message. You will fall. You ain't don't come abroad for after many years. You see your life at mama where I don't get my freedom from my dad. I share one in the air. I share one in the air. Kissy. Nyamu. Wag bell. I share one well, mama where. I shishi when you do for abroad. He say me do and me for don't use and do better. In fact, all my family, everybody for don't do this abroad. What you want? I shishi when you do, when you use all your rest of your life. They do. At the end, nothing comes out of it. Now, Kokobiri, you can still go hang with. Old fool as that. Wow, bell. Shameless she goat. At the walk. Come on, you say you they walk, say, and at the money when you they walk, now they give me. If I ball like you don't know when my man don't start to the walk. The one when my man they walk, who did they give? I be here say my man not the walk. Woman, my people. Who ask man and wife, man and woman they house. Woman not the walk, man they walk. Is there anything bad there? As I they talk to you now not my man too. Next week now, my afternoon, now you go enter the shift. You are born loud. You think say my man not the work now liability man when he has. Okay, the one when my man call the work, who they call the give? Very stupid shit good. All those yeah people when they say their life don't finish for bro. Now work who they work, now they feed. Shut up your mouth and live there. When you get your pension, who they work on and want to get pension tomorrow? You forget say people when they work now. If you don't know the law of James, if you don't go school, make I teach you. You forget our men when they work now. People when want pension now, they want use the money to pay. Who tell now say now money? They tell they pay Aduro self. People when they there, Aduro tell now say now high money. Forget say you earn, they support all those money. Una forget say money they when you earn, they give all country where refugee they. Una forget. Una forget. They say now work on that. Wanna go school. Wanna year school. Kokobiri wife. If you go school for German, if you go behind, you can't learn living in Deutschland. Therefore, tell you how they live for Deutschland. Therefore, teach you how they get pension. That is called living in Deutschland. That living in Deutschland, they will tell you their politics, how they do here, how they do everything. They will teach you because you didn't go to school. You think your man, my man are the same class. All ye behind, all live in Deutschland. No certificate when my man don't get. You go school, if you go school as you claim at the go school, you don't go school now. If you really go to school, call behind, they will teach you And especially that living in Deutschland, I make that they value that paper when they talk that they living in Deutschland. Now there they will tell you how they live, how they pay pension, and how they take care, how they do everything, and how people no fit enter your house, and how you go fit do. That is where they will teach you. Shame on you. Church, is it to come out and be ranting? You don't even know the German law. They thought that they don't even know the meaning of enemy as far as this. You didn't know the difference. You only talk blah blah like pick a shower don't spoil your brain. My man go school here. He have living in Deutschland. He go behind. If I go behind, he get as far. Go behind, he get the behind certificate. Wa give, wa fear to, wa zag. Because you didn't go to school. If you go to school, you could have known the law of German. Because you didn't go. If yes, I'm not working, but my mind is working. My mind is winner. As I told you, I'm 90 to finish. You are very stupid. Okay, now walk where you go. Now shut up your mouth in bedside. Oh, mommy, I bless. God bless you, Jare. In your war vision. Can you imagine? They say you know why you are so stupid and yeah. You don't want to reply me if I don't want to reply somebody. I don't even try to give any message because you know what time they do you, they pay you. You think you can fall me. When you plan evil, use your head to carry it. Kokobiri, you don't see man we put for now. Kokobiri, you go three children, three father. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed? Hey, three children, three papa. Oh, well, now work when you they work, they can't teach you how they work. I don't know who say you they work for Jenny. My people, when I check the video, you want me with Chester, where they wear tear clothes after many years in abroad. Armpits like this, you don't ever see me then screenshot my picture with my armpits in clothes, yeah. Oh, shame. Look on. Check it out. 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 My people, I to get better, but you are you. I'm on a muria. You are compare. When my law mono pa he gbenare. When my law mono vum we gbena. How argue? When your money maybe that on where. After you have used all your rest of your life to do a sharp barashik bibi. He shock you. He shock you. He shock you. He shock you. Argue. If I spend years with those spend that shishi when you don't do by now. Hey, Satasidia policeman. About the live video, come darling. About the live video I'm still talking about. You know say na me still first you enter. You know say na me first you enter. When you still they born for Morocco, they born for I've been a Pakistan. When I not say me there's poor plan for this social media. When I not say me there's catabolize on a plan. Yes, I'm standing for the truth, not about the truth. I just catabolize on a plan. I they motorize on a plan. In Shakula. Cool. Make I show now my people. When I see fresh I come when I do myself. You will not know anything. You are ashishi mu with that brother. See, now me they see am. Now this they see am. Now come when I do my hands. Now I be this. You just say I be picking when they not train. I picking when they not get sense. Mommy and bears, I hear you. This one I come with menu. I don't want to see fool. They say now me do it myself. Now Karawan fry so. I'm gonna muri. If now me don't spend, how many years I don't come abroad when they complain? I'm not up to 6-7 years. I'm like this. I'm like this. Wow, bell. My father-in-law they here. You know, guys, they be my father-in-law now is in one pension very soon. Inside enjoyment, na wa gbeo, wa gion. You the see picture will be loading. Man, me and you na class. Me and you na class. My father-in-law day here. Grandpa when I give and I take girl, I take be opa. You know the meaning of opa. You're crazy. Oh, I'm waiting for you to fall. You will fall now. You don't already fall now. My father-in-law day here. They're closer to us here. Children when I born from, I be grandchildren. Opa. Now opa they know I put now me give one grandchildren for here. Me and you na class. Go. My father-in-law know when don't they work. Okay, the money when my father-in-law they work, who they use until they pay. Because my father-in-law now they go for rent. Because you don't know the meaning of rent. You don't go school. Who can't the war? My father-in-law now will still go for rent. Go so pension. Yeah, where we go wicked. I don't want they jealous see me put now. He can't pay. Me and you not the same. How you want? Oh well, money they work. Money they work. You they work. Then they can't teach you how they work. I could wear barman on we now. Wow, Wiki. The one my father-in-law come to the work. The one my ma they work. No, they call they give the money. The one when my man come to work, who did they give the money? And don't advise me, go advise yourself. You never feel advise yourself. They advise me. Nobody read the toss and yash this me. Your message don't reach here. Now they return it back to you. Bad egg. No mind. My people, he say so the pepper when the pepper on the pay on where no wonder when Kakabo comes and say wait if they do me if I think they pay me rich but I mean they zambalize now. It shock you. You when come and say you don't ever see me a beautiful and sweet presenter. Me can't carry front of shirt go back, can't carry back come front. You are frustrated. Me not frustrated like you. Madam not use me collect 500,000 euro. My brain still correct. Now you supposed to go for therapy. Because you are losing it. Good morning, my darling. You are the one that is losing it. You're supposed to go for therapy when madam tell use all your faculty, use all the medicine way into your body. It shock you. You say it's a bit talk. I go back you for back, they do joke. I go back you for back, they do saga. I go back you for back, they finish you. Wazaga, monamuria. My people, madam use all the better thing when they body finish. God, I beg. All the better thing we go for tell better life. And madam use all of them. It go reach brain not correct. Oh, I beg. Brain not correct again. Oh, I big. Omonamuria. Madam use money when Kokobiri why pay for madam. You want to what they say? You know when I fight my freedom. And that I know say this woman is losing it. I think say that better freedom. You want to I don't say now she freedom when they get for madam. Magele. After the matter, don't use all the better thing when it dead body. Because they say, you do know when I receive my freedom, I got they try to listen say, yeah, which kind of freedom she get? I got they try to reason which kind of freedom she get. I don't know say now freedom when it take what she they say now 2 times now she pay matter. Oh my God, oh. Hey, wait, Mona come here. Bad egg. Oh, I don't feel it. Oh, You say you get maths. I go use you. I will finish you. My people, he said, I'm working for you to use and something not the social media. Don't call you for there. My people, sure not say sometimes 1 week, you're not go see me for social media. Una know now, 1 week, you're not go see me for social media. I go just there on the low key because I just think they're busy for my children or 1 or 2 things. He say they work. Well, you don't know when my man start to do. You think say I be woman when man not the work. Okay, we put woman self, you man not the work. Maybe never get to work. They use work there, they disturb people peace. Get out of there. My mama be working. You see, they work. Mama, they work, I know they work. Is there anything bad there? After she don't use her rest of her life, they do igraja ho I share one on mama. The years when you don't spend for her abroad. It don't finish, my darling. Isha. Bella, it don't finish now. Let me can go marry Kokobiri. Now let Kokobiri go see when you go put that cassava, go see they do bugulu. Although you go see they make noise like drum. Now let Kokobiri cassava go see they do bugulu. Because if you go carry bongo or another, if you have no, you know now. I'm not every. I'm gonna share the video. Make it go rich. You go make do. You will see everywhere go bust. Now bongo guy if he put that one for us now. Now I clear I take go marry Kukudu. Want to use myself compare you and you not go do this one. Get out of there! A moya come again. Imagine me die for Mediterranean when I repass come. You don't not live life. Now meanwhile I won't call the use here. She say you hear say I do a share wo biki. That part their life. If I not come abroad, I come marry for Bogo, marry man, we not see to get. I call the now the man will call me, they take care of them. Wow, Vicky, they pay you. What carry the joy your own? This they pay you. Wow, you. My people, you hear they talk nonsense. You the way she tell mumu, you no one reply me. At the end, you see, sit down, I know the people I talk to. Oh, Zuo. You don't really go school. The way you read the talk, I'm gonna wipe show say wow. When you they talk, say me they cause you. So the cause when me they talk to you, so the talk to you and they talk they pay you. They say when she read they forget people where they key. Aunt never sight you. Say hey, Mona come oh, they don't come oh. In real. When I'm mia, the time when they talk to boy Monica, she near you. Kokobiri wife come outside. You do crazy. If you try me ga bue, e Jamie maybe where you wa yaneku. Come on, tell me say me will come meet. Tell me say me will meet. Imana go baka with the fight of that ground. What till you get what they fight of that ground? For your information, my father-in-law dey here. Na upper. He goes soon enter pension. Maybe you all know, may know your waste. That with the fight of that ground. What till you get what they fight of that ground? You get documents safe. What till the fight of that ground? Wa biki. How many of your sister and brother don't carry come abroad when you don't help you? Bring the come outside, idiot. A wobby. Better not reply me, oh. That is when you will have peace. Me and you not be made for jam, for Jamie. Maybe we're matey. A money maybe a guy. A doshy no, a doshe man, doshe opa. Me. My children, grandpapa na doshe opa. Not use me play. Wazoo. Wabiki. Kokobiri vandalization. Stupid she goods. They call my people. Me are you not this? Me are you not this? Very stupid human being. Nonsense any other person. Nonsense any other person. Oh well, the one you say, the money that they pay you, now the money won't work. You are very stupid. Come my city, man, you know when my husband does the work. The crazy. Wow, Wiki. No when my man does the work. Till date, still the work. Stupid she goat. He said, he don't collect freedom for people. He don't fight freedom. You know when he don't fight freedom. Because it isn't a better freedom she fights. I don't know, say useless Kokobiri. You know get better freedom. I share one. In life we they do a share one. You know how many years you don't stay for abroad? You don't know how many years you don't stay for abroad? Yeah, akara, yeah. I want to do akara. Yes. Share this video. I want to do akara. See the akamu, guys. That day, I want to do video about as I tell you, you can do your akamu fresh. Just buy corn. Have a blender. You see, huh? This is fresh akamu. Menu will be like this one, like 8. They see the filter when I tell you, I leave and for side water, may not smell. So I change the water every 2 days. You understand? Maybe caterer. Well, Biki. I will go work. Now you want to tell me I want to work. My father-in-law there, my mother they work. My father-in-law go to enter pension. Rented. Well, don't even know the meaning of living in Deutschland. Talking nonsense. So now they talk. Now money one will they work. Now money one will they work. The way my mama call the work, who they call they give? Come answer my question. Since now your own that they give me, the way my mama call the work, who they give? The tax when my mama they pay, they pay hospital bill for your children. They pay tax, they pay everything. Who the money they go to? That is anyhow person. Anyhow person. You want to see this thing? What they tell they pay mama? Tell they call themselves for Deutschland. Paper they tell they pay mama. You want to see anyhow person? Now say so the title when I talk to you they pay you. Yes, I stand for the truth. I don't want you people to gather beat only one person because I don't like truth. If they gang, me tell you say they get what they do me. Which gang? Now the truth are they talk. More na business. Before you come and go they talk to Monica when the day at home. She near you. Me see come outside. I talk my opinion. I tell you say it's okay. Don't talk like that. You say hey you don't want to reply me. You not do video about my bitches are not here. You sabi bear something. Not by to come outside and be ranting and raking. You don't want to talk to me. You don't want to talk to me. Why are you analyzing my matter? Why are you analyzing it? If I don't want to talk to you, I don't want to talk to you. If I want to talk to you, I'll talk to you. When they say me talk to you, you want now you go fall. Me not first you come to social media. Well, you don't know when me don't enter 2 years before you. When be last year here you back they do like fool. When your mat men nyama. Woo. Abog fiakun le loué. Mon amouria. Useless she goat. Can you imagine? Not know anything, not go school. They talk nonsense. Nya. Oh my, this thing don't too. School will not go. Nya. Go and bath. Go and bath. Do anyhow, make you see anyhow. You do anyhow, make you see anyhow. Yeah, me so. You don't want to talk to me, you don't want to analyze my matter. And rest now, pack out of it. Then you pack out. It's not by force. You don't want to talk to me. You don't first send one message, can't give me that day. You don't take care of you. Go take care now. Since you don't born many, go add join. Since their father they stupid. I not be like you when do a shower now. I call because of you go they do a shower say now because it is Chris. But fear kun lo a shower no mama. A shower go. Even where you who wear your be me man be. Kokobiri wife. Your TOT money when you use your TOT to work. Me not work am. You understand that they never talk to you that they pay you for body. When you they say demand DNA test, we go tell them make it go swear whether he fuck or be not fuck. Now you born. Now you're picky. When you call carry share when they call you when they say mona not top put me there for not cover now. Why you not gonna go make them for us now say must bring the result? Since you be oduga, you be ama head of foro or him moriazin. Why you not go tell them now say he must bring? Why? Why you not go tell her not say must bring? Since now you give her belly, now you be husband. Now you be a husband. Man, I not talk to them again. So now you talk to her now. Opportunity go just come. Not go want bring them again. Stupid human being. When you they poke nose, did you have any particular matter when they talk on social media? When you wear poke nose, you go swear people say I curse you or I talk to you. Yes. You were bullying people now. You two bullying people. My own, I didn't bully anybody. I was trying to say the truth to make peace. Yes, Kokobiri wife. I share one in the area. I don't go freedom. I don't go freedom. I share what freedom when you get. Madam use all the better thing with their body. He use and finish the woman. Ah, that madam bad, ja. That your madam a bad though. He finish your life. But madam, God will bless you because this say you quit release this kind big bedside. Now so because they use her out to the disturb us for street. Madam, God will bless you for KG her. Madam, God will bless you for caging her. God will bless you for caging her. You don't see where person they pay madam huge amount 2 times. You that stupid now. I had to call the war. Man, madam, how we made up pay 2 times. See my bug in any madam. I had to war. Now your eye call up after it all the juju and the mede when he use for you. It turn you to him bed. He told you to invest. You don't know when you got to the pay. Double, eh, double. Hey, double. You got to pay double. You got to pay double. My people, who be that person when he pay madam double? I beg, una know that person will pay madam double. Double, eh, double, eh. Who pay madam? Who be that person way born for Pakistan? Who be Pakistan mama? Who be mother of Pakistan? All my mates born for Igbo. All their mates born for Igbo. I own a Pakistan where stick off high life for Europe. All our mates born for German, born for Italy citizen, born for France citizen. I own a Paki. He can't pay. You don't know me if I do something. He go pay you rich as Panaco if you don't get me. How well? Is that something they pay me for body? Oh, you miss track. You miss track. Who be that person will be Paki? I bet now the new name Paki. Pakistan will stick off my life. So people say, I born for Igbo. They say they can't you Joe born for Igbo. Eh, poor. They call my people maker. Eh, poor. Paki, Afana. Pakistan, cause he give you belly, cause he won't leave you. But you're all bad though. Paki. Ewu. Today, I don't want you to talk. Now laugh, I can't laugh you. Your wait. When I have call, I can't hear. What's the egg, man? When I have call, I can't hear. Paki. Oh, I made the ball for you, he can't go ball for Paki. My people. Paki. Pakistan say give you belly, see don't leave you. But this is all bad though. This is all your bad market. Our market. Bad market. Pakistan when not get Pakistan have a more con one of a less why. Oh, a babu. You ain't never fed bomb before, never get one. Pakistan still can't break your side mirror. Jesus Christ. I'm my head of horror. You ain't never get. For better you bought to corner Pakistan, your juju can't go cash. Jigby. Now shame. Pakistan, now your juju go cash. Oh, that Babalawo way do that juju will never have peace. He will never have peace. So, Babalawo, you still do well because this kind of person born for Jama or Italian citizen. We will no matter you, boy, you not go hear what. God, you do well when you told the Babalawo I made the juju go cash Pakistan. Paki. Now God go bless that babalawo. Oh, Kokobiri wifey. Now God go bless that babalawo for me. Oh, when you do that, babalawo do when you do the sham. Now God go bless that babalawo. Woo! Now God go bless babalawo. Babalawo who do the sham. Hey, way, babalawo. God go bless you. You too get mad. No, she dey first say she get mad. I say I go back you like this. I go use you do live video. I go put you for your head for here. I go use you do live video. Agbero. Paki. Pakistan give you belle. Pakistan. Oh God, Pakistan. What do you do, Kokobiri wife? No good, sha. Pakistan, you see give Kokobiri, you see give Akehugu. You see give her belle, you run. Oh my God. Well, anyway, God, now you know why Pakistan run. Because nobody go see that fire make it pull heads. God, forgive Pakistan. Forgive Pakistan. Pakistan have a call one of a less why. Shame on you. Pakistan say give you belle. Nigeria guy or give you belle run leave you better pass Pakistan because that one papa don't lost. You get mad. That one papa don't lost. He don't delete. Or he's salobwa. Zimbabwe man, now you can't know where you want carry and go. I know say if you know shame not let you carry and go your village now because if you reach there they'll say who shall be no be this one. Not be we got this speaking. Why you carry and come here? No water. I can't woo. I bet tell us when you don't go Zimbabwe last. When you carry Pakistan, go Zimbabwe, they don't pursue you. They not go pursue you. How where if they want make you fall? You look me like a woman when be say it a fear. Even though me retire today, so I not the top for anybody matter self. Not before money can even say I not even the top for anybody matter self. Me can't really do on my own. You just say you fit talk to me, you will come with me. If I come outside for you, the cock when I go give you. If they not admit you, where we get money or anyway, or argue. You say I be like woman that they use one after they push. When you wear pognosy, carry shed lady and sit down that you are the one that want to analyze issue no boo. And then right now I be a visual no analyze my ball like visual. Oh well, yes, I know why. Us here in our bog because I born you to what it be. Because we are tier born me in and I did me I'm born with bog be visual. Oh bell. My never knew you do my chapa character she don't have. And your character and I may paki run leave you. You was upon run leave paki and can't break your side mirror. When men I build one monarchy be a man less heavy or who at all less where Pakistan when see come my bro can't find life. He still run leave you with PK we more. Have a less why working more monarchy or bell. Ashishi when you do for abroad, it may do her for fit. I'm not sure say by now me go to show myself for live video. Ashishi when you do when madam use all your life, use all your destiny, use everything when you want to become a life. Your madam use all of them. He use all. Pakistan, not be Pakistan. Nah, Pakistan is bound that PK for me. Wow, well. Before you call they ask people DNA test. Why you not go be Pakistan? Whether me will know whether that one give you belly. So una sabi to do person something. Just go freely. But person want do now. Say, oh, war don't come. Una also na want bow una self. When you were ranting, insulting those that don't come close to you. For me, you are the madam that want to analyze issue that don't belongs to you. You forget that people will come after you. I stand for the truth, nothing but the truth. Because we don't feel they see truth, we go the burn. Who don't ask you for DNA test? When they talk nonsense, they talk say, you forget when you talk. When you say, Mona not for Mona talk again, now where they want cover all this matter. Mona not answer any of them again. May for go be the DNA test. And may made it go swear whether Papa or last sleep it. You don't forget. When you don't they call Madame when she not near you, when you come they insult her, she talk to you and only once now she reply you. Since more than many months when they talk to that lady. So they pay you. I mean, there's now me don't give you injection now, you don't they run mad. That's what they do. Now so that time when my Monica will give an injection, what's one so now I call they cry. Now I call they cry. But when I go they find her trouble, they find trouble up and down, left and right, they find trouble. When I forget, say hand go meet you. Paki. Pakistan say don't get freedom for Madam hand, my people. More than even ask her freedom when she get for Madam hand. Yeah, they smell. Come here, reach this base, Johnny. No, it's not green. Not too over, so. Alright, my people. Mona help me answer. The time when she dey pork nose for matter when she know when you not concern her. They call her. Now be she come out go the pork nose. Now you want call the phone and they watch something here, my people. No, not vex. You want call the phone now they talk nonsense or talk foolishness. Say now he they work. When they shut up your matty. You know my husband call the work who they give. All the single mothers they went not the work. Now the money they tell say they give them. Villagers, if they don't hear one matter, now all of them will they talk. My father-in-law when don't spend that many years for this country, never thought saying that money when they work, now they pay Aduro people. He never talk on one day. All those shower when you do not let you get break. You not go school. You say you go school. You for know the meaning of living in Deutschland. You not go school. And I cause for everybody. You say you go. Because I know the meaning. You not go school, my people. Now they make noise pass. No. Come outside. No fear. School, you not go. As soon as I say, so Dutch, you not be speak. Atwa. What to be atwa? As far ton atwa. Mumu. As far ton atwa. Beyond stop behind. What to be behind? Mugu. I pity people when they lecture. Because you didn't go to school now. Imagine school. How would you school? I'm not here. Beside, behind, as far, eyes. You don't feel spell, you don't feel color. Madam Okoro. Ma atwa. What to be atwa? You're the jump, you might the do. You don't know her left from her right again. Person want correct you. Listen to correction. Obuko go to school. Go to school. Anima de wear bada. Anima de putu sutu. Anima de con. Anima de pupu lete. Anima de pupu le. Kokobiri wife the poo le, Hanima the poo. Kokobiri wife the poo for body. Kokobiri wife the poo. You don't know I left from my right. Atwa. Wait till be atwa. As far as atwa. Mugu. Now your mumu can't ripe. Your mumu ripe. Eh? You can't overripe. Nobody grip by. Yo mumu, ogele wawo. Or is a wo. Nobody grip back. You know, no basket for rotting mango. Atwa. When I make atwa, come. Atwa. But I make atwa, come. As fine. Eyes, behind, bisfy, behind, atwa. But you know go better for that madam when you use all your brace. Oh, that madam, God will still bless you. You know, better for that matter. Matter anyway. Me I they give you one, me I they give her one. Because you see, try when you help us shame and that. When you help us tie for one place, for that turn dog when loose for rope. He can pay. He can scale. The crazy where I they pray. May you come up from one side. May you fall. Now you go fall. For bad it to happen, we go shower. Walking out there. After I first you not be where I look when I start social media. I first to enter the social media. You can't meet me. So now you go still leave me there. If you don't know. Now this bad prayer and they pray for people when be say one of the fine one bring down, make it go down. Now make one the better. See what you they talk come out for man. Make person for. I go take for what you want for me. And come jam me. You say no boy, come jam me for road and talk anyhow. You man go that boy you can wall away gun you to me. You got boy. Me I shower no beni bang with berry. And then when my back. You got mashy words, imana mashy when he boy na come on again. A Kokobiri wife in the born allow it. Oh, you ever say if you see me for road, don't be jamming me and you there. Not be jamming me and you there. They born you well. Say better if I see for road. Imana wears down. Call me fool. Man, I go back and front. Well, you don't get sense now. I don't want to reply. I don't want to reply. You come outside, call the analyze matter when not concern you. I don't want to reply. I don't want to reply. But you come outside, call the analyze your head. Not say now you don't get sense like that. Bad egg. Me not better pass. How many years I don't spend for abroad? It's not up to 8 years, 7 years. You will don't spend nothing with you there 15 years when they carry you come abroad. You use all the rest of your life to do a shower when madam slave you. Can you imagine? He said, I want to go carry your children. Well, see you later. Make I go pick my children. Okay, my darling. Okay. Go pick them, Jare. No wahala. Yeah, you man be. I mean, what I do, she like tell you when not clear. Yeah. At why? I don't know anything. When I go to phone, so I know something. Why am I me rock bar? Now we kick bar when they fuck up and down. Maybe they vandalize. Now we kick. Rock bar when. Well, if you see me talk to me anyhow, man, I go and stand. It's Chris. Now be jamming me and you there. If you see me, more do a woman to woman. It does damn me move to her. Man, I move my one. When is a shower, I will tell look me a shower when you do when you don't frustrate. Don't frustrate. Pata. Pakistan. Paki. Shame on you. After the end of Pakistan, Pakistan can first break your side mirror. Shame on you. Pakistan, you see enter inside the TOT, you say nothing dead there again. Now we make a run if you say not being or go to swim for inside swimming pool. Pakistan is not being or go to swim for inside swimming pool. Not be they leave you. Shame on you. Our women when marry Nigeria is not better than you. When they jealousy go want kill you. Now me say me go marry Kokobiri. Now because you don't say your TOT don't wide. You want if you pay madam 2 times, nothing there on that day again. It don't turn erosion. I don't get my freedom. Yeah, freedom when you get. Shame and disgrace. Now so you go tell the meet now one after the other. Mind your business. As you said, okay, you don't want to talk to me. Fine. More than pursue those red, enemy of progress. I will say you don't want to talk to me, then you rest. You don't want to talk to person, don't want to talk to person. You see they talk to the person. I worry concern. Illiterate. I will be. Oh, your mate marry you, boy, your mate marry better people. Paki, Pakistan. If we move, Wagyu. My mama saw where. Baggy, 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 baggy. I share one on mama. Oh, all your TOT, all of them don't fight. You don't fight. You fight. At the end of Pakistan, because they break your side mirror. School, you don't go. You cannot call as far. I ans, Beyonce, be far. À toi. À toi. À toi. I had a shame for you that day. À toi. Let it be à toi. Let it be à toi. What is the meaning of à toi? Now that day I don't know say, now maths you your day. Maths, now you your day. You don't know anything because you don't go school. You don't go. Three children, three papa, and me you walk all the talk to. You were never fed born. Coco, Pakistan see you belly run leave you. If now you can get picky, you don't see say your own now you won't go for worse pass. You just say man give me belly run leave me. Pa! All this shit. I be see bad character. You don't get better character. Pakistan cause he break his side mirror. Baggy. Now Pakistan cause they break your side mirror. Pakistan cause he run leave you and picking. Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord. Pakistan. Oh, what do you do this? I can't woo. Oh, Pakistan. Pakistan, what do you do this? I can't woo. When go finally go fall for Kokobiri hands because nobody agree carry. I want to parents. I be a dion when you still go for because you said don't hold. Madam use all the vitamin. Vitamin A where they Kokobiri wife body. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Go reach vitamin E. Jesus is Lord. Jesus, now let you waka come. Okay, now. Jesus is Lord. All the vitamin when they Kokobiri wife body. Madam, you make sure say he dry all of them. Like kake here. He dry all of them. You won't pay madam 2 times. Madam dry all the better bone marrow, all the better flesh and fiber and but since he after he don't dry all of them, now he leave you empty vessel. He's a low boy. You can't remain empty. And the empty you still dirty today so. Empty. You still remain empty. You know what top on the matter. You know what top put. You do. You know what top. You know what to top put. You do one video. You do another video. You do another video again. No, you know what top put with pattern. You know what top put. You know what top put. You do many videos. Everything can't leave you empty. It can't leave you empty because you are free to go. You can go anywhere where you want to go. Now we don't through with you. Wow, Biki. You want use me to compare yourself? I shower when you doing life not better you. You didn't say na me do. When you they trauma, they cause people. They say, don't what you know others will not do to you. Don't do it to others. Do to others what others will do to you. But you don't do to people now, but you don't want people to do to you. You are not crying. Why are you crying? Hey, we can't pain. You can't pain. Pakistan now, become a part for Pakistan now. You don't get papa now. That one now, that one don't run. Or that one don't lost. You hear say me don't know the father of my baby. You hear say tomorrow pikin go come because they ask me, Mama, where my papa? Yo now, if father don't run Ezra, he's a low boy. Ezra still get Ezra. If not still Nigeria now, go for still good. You for still get hope. If not still Nigeria man now, you for still get hope. Paki. Pakistan don't pack oh. Pakistan don't pack oh. Pakistan don't run. Pakistan don't run oh. I beg, where we go find Pakistan go? I beg. All day here, we know where we go fit find Paki go. Because as you people can see, she's losing it. Which direction we go find Paki go? Make her carry that Piki, because that Piki now. Uma, nana ya mwe here. Oh, what I go do? Now that Zimbabwe matter they carry Pakistan, they go Mao. Oh, what will I do? What will I do? Oh, what will I do? I am working. Why you not go work? What's the no kana wina? Umo Pakistan ya muno Sierra Leone no ga koko. You not be even Nigeria pikin, not be even black pikin. You carry Pakistan pikin go give omolomo black man make it a tree. Now be you supposed to carry black man pikin go give Oyibo me help you tree. You see your life, you call, you both break your side mirror. When I both break my side mirror. For you both to break my side mirror, I go break your left mirror. I don't take shit. Oh, you both to break my side mirror, me go break your left mirror where be say light like I never remember say. If me bump pikin now, you both go take care of her. Not be me bump for you both and a black or the heavy they take care. That's made the man they do. He go say, man, he go say, I'm hearing you guys. Can you see me? I'm here greeting you two people. Oh, Malama is crying. Why will you not walk? Go and walk. Go and walk. My children now that papa are born for. Why you not go walk take care of your children? Not being a born for. If na see black pikin, you still born us now. Or you both the help you they take care. Not better pass say you born for or you born black the help you they take care. I'm walking for video. You don't say fool your body like this. You want to Vera. Vera not get for body. Oh. Hey. They don't tell you. They don't tell you. They don't tell you. Vera not get to. Maybe be. Now your words pass. Yes, me and Margo call the call and go say, I beg, go carry this or Pakistan pikin come off for you. I'm not sure how fit take care again. You know both the tough away there, but they do yes, sir. Yes, sir. All your mates born for black, or you boy that take care of the pikin. Yo, Pakistan, man come break your side mirror. They find black women help you take care. Africa country has that. Not be even Nigeria. Hey, Shineke. I can't go. How many times you don't really go Zimbabwe? How many times have you traveled to Zimbabwe? Come and explain yourself. She goes. I share one on mama. Okay, you want contact to Bo Miliki. I share one already the share. You want share what get grade. It can't carry grades. Some women do a shishi for this abroad. They say they hide themselves. Except the one when you see you and do better. Your own is nowhere to be found. You don't get what you use your own to do. You are still coming up, you are still talking to Miliki. Where them where? Your mother use all the vitamin C, go reach vitamin K. Let me Pakistan run. As Pakistan be say make it be dodge do, make it be dodge shook. As it can't shook inside me, do blue. Not be bagger. Why Brahma not go wrong? Nah, go fika because they are bola like this. Now let them go me enter inside your brugata, your mentalele. Kale kwa vera. Wagiwa. Mona muri. Okay. Now only Kokobiri. Nothing. Go fit carry. Now today no saw my talk nonsense. I call you for here. Yes, ma. They shock you. Now lie talk. I tell me nonsense. Nina, beauty they call you. All your talk not the make sense. Okay now. I not the make sense. I call you here. He born for Kokobiri. I be not born for Kokobiri. Kokobiri run leave pikin for Abi not run leave pikin for. Kokobiri run leave Abi not run leave her. Come and explain. Kokobiri run leave Abi not run leave Pakistan run leave Abi Pakistan not run leave. No, come and explain yourself. Sister, you they make sense. You are boy Lara vi jouer gbe no gun gbe jouer yada. Pakistan run leave Pakistan run leave. As he smooth, the life be like this. The life be like this. Can't forget, say, photo machen, Deutschland call photo machen, photo machen. Responsible human being. In best side. Come, you don't see that I don't open one like this. They can't see my tear club. But you were doing like this life low, like because you don't drink ogogoro, you are losing it. You can't do like this. You know the life is get to 40, get to 50. When it not come like this, he come down like this, he come up. You can't tell aeroplane when they go up, they come down. Teacher, when every teach herself finish. I know they cause you now laugh, now joke and laugh. I want you to tell you say I get mad. Not say I know the two insult you. I know they tell you. I want to tell your life story when you forget to amend. I want to tell you say I get mad. Nothing one time will go pay me. Even if I know the top of people matter, I don't want to saga again. Yeah, I'll pay you. See, when you gotta do like this, like aeroplane, when you want go up. And you know when you get to 30, life begins as 40. Teacher whenever fit teach herself. Life begins at 40. You can't forget, so they go snap photo machen, they go screenshot. You can't blind because he said, yeah, don't open for ground. I didn't say that true, say they wear tear tight the entire live video. My belly, oh, my head, oh. I want to laugh the shame and disgrace where they follow you. I want you to laugh you. Then he talk and say, this lady, they drink ogogoro. This lady. I want to tell you say today, maybe you do comedy, you can do math, who get math. I don't want to prove more to you. My people, they can tell me say, this lady, they wear tear tight con live video. I don't believe I got to say na lie. They can say na ogogoro master. This woman get mad. They can say na ogogoro master or beware if you dey wash am. I not here. I got to say na lie. They talk. They say they wear tear tight the entire live video. I not believe. Now the day when you can say when life begins at 40. It comes down. Teacher will not fit teachers. Life begins. It come at 40. They say photo market, snapping a photo. If I wear you, if I dey talk at the day at a lot, now I make you not get sense. Sometimes if I dey talk, maybe hit worry me, my armpit won't be like. If I check on once like this, I'll break my hand down. I not go like raise them again. Not be saying it's here. But you were so foolish and so dumb to an extent. You not gonna know when they cut a screenshot, your photo marking. Bring your hands down, they will snap you. Bring your hands down. It gonna do life begins at 40. Life begins at 40. Can't they demonstrate like flight when you want go to the next step. People call they blink eye, madam, bring your hand because if they comment now, they'll quick screenshot her. People were blinking eye. She not here. Now they leave her. Made the back for them. Now be the sister when it gets swag. Now they quickly screenshot her photo marking, Dutch call it photo marking. Now they suffer quickly screenshot her. Now they screenshotable. You are the only presenter that I've seen that will come at. Have you ever seen me carry front of my shirt go back? Have you ever seen me carry back come front? You are the first person. You are the first person when they wear tight enter live video. You are the first person when they wear when they wear shirt enter live video. You are still the first person when you go they talk. You not dey vigilant. When they talk, you be like who the loser. You are the one that need therapy. You need therapy because when you are smart, you think you are teaching others. Be smart first, vigilant for yourself. They observe everywhere. But your own was not like that. You lose guard to an extent. Open your motor mark and foot. Now me still do that one. Responsible sister. Now me still do you that one. Don't say you're not smart. Not back to the talk. The way you talk, it shows to people when they drink. It shows to people you say they drink. Because me, I know they drink. If you don't see me see much, you don't see me see anything now wine or this, that. Because when you day back, I day like this now, my eye they reach everywhere. I just didn't finish my base now. If I come back, I'll come blend that do akara. Not now. Look at my account. My account when I do myself. You can do account with yourself. When you buy the corn, soak am for 7 days. Blender. Look for this kind of filter to filter it. You will enjoy akara account. We can see. I don't want it later. So let's go to our Agbonge topic. If you are really smart enough, they talk, say you get this one, get this one. You sabi talk. You don't know how to talk. And when you are talking, say you are teaching others. Without giving yourself a good example. You don't give yourself good example. So you when they teach people, look at shirt. Sometimes we put on shirt. The shirt don't wash finish. It shows that you are suffering. Yeah? After many years in abroad, using all your life for prostitute, it shows that you are really suffering. You that say you get everything. You don't see me say I wear take clothes, enter live video. You don't see this hair, so you know how much you know. Now you my hair. I know how much I take, but I say they carry rubber for it. You are not ashamed of yourself. For you to come out and wear tear shirt, you cannot tell me your clothes, you don't know say you don't tear. You don't know say this shirt don't get small mark. You don't fit tell me say you don't know. But because of people matter, because of you are losing it, you need therapy. You come on live video and you know the shirt raise. One time mistake. You are watching the camera right front of you. You didn't know that something like this is shown and you do it like this. If you are vigilant enough, if you are a good teacher that is teaching others, you're supposed to observe first. You could have been the first person to see it before other people see. Let me teach you. You forget and you lose God because you are losing it. You don't have rest of mind. You pretend smiling and suffering and smiling. It's all over you, written all over you, bleaching your life, bleaching your life. You're supposed to know your shirt tear. But because of busybody, because of you are not okay, then you lose guard yourself to an extent. You don't know say your shirt, you might get wet or nyaga. So people continue to be screenshotting it. It was still saying life begins at 40. When it comes to 50, life begins at no. Before they say life begins at 30, 40. Now life begins at. You were not smart enough to know something is going wrong here. You were not smart enough to know that, no, I need to quickly drop my hand. No. What happened? You failed woefully. You failed woefully. When they tell me that she is wearing tear tight, I think people just want to bully her. I think maybe they are lying against her. Because me, I believe it. Sin is believing. I don't believe they say. Not at all. Until the day I see it, the first day I know you are losing it is the day you carry your front shirt to back. Carry your back to your front. That day I observed something. Then when they are now saying you put on tight, tear tight, now they wear on live video. I think now joke. Until this one that happened, or that the one that happened, that why can't you come out and analyze it? Why you not come outside, come analyze, and why you open hand when life begins at 40? Paki. Paki, shock you. Paki. Pakistan, come break your side mirror, Paki. So you didn't know that something is wrong somewhere. Paki. Oh, Paki, see Piki. See as Piki gallant. If you say me I come out and they see him, can you see the shape? They see him. Me I come out and me not say na fake. Can you see it? Can you see it? They see him. But yo, madam, use all your life. You use all the vitamin E, go reach vitamin Z. He used all of them. He used all vitamin A to vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin go. You when you madam use. Madam use, you pay 2 times. I get my freedom. The day when they talk and say get the freedom, was like, which freedom did this woman acquire? Which freedom this woman get? I was like, hey, what is happening? I don't get my freedom. I will tell you, your mouth go the top spit with the edge for you. Have you ever seen me talk? You know how I want to talk when spit go take hang for you. It shows that you are a dirty pig. It shows that you not be better person. Asen, you go fool, you know the observe. So then you go see the coma, you don't go observe yourself for camera. When camera is right front of, you, right front of you. You know, they observe everything that when they your body. Spit. Hey, go on, hey. Shy, go and brush your teeth before you talk to me, though. Have you ever seen that kind of error for my body? Hey, Jesus Christ. She naked na mezofu. Paki. Have you ever seen her? They say, because I will be boloko. I will be bolozo. I will be bolo. I will be bolo. So before you talk to others, when you know say me person don't analyze your issue, no one me person talk to you. Not talk to person. Not the insult person. You too, they cause people, they tell people their life history. Come outside. Whether or not you start to feel the talk. When you yourself no one talk the truth. Thank you. You understand? When you don't want to talk the truth, you refuse to say the truth, you support. So I just give you small injection now. You are running head and scatter. You know, my father-in-law day here. Well, me and you not this. Paki. Now me give my father-in-law grandchildren opa. And my father-in-law now opa for Germany here. You so enter renter. Go and ask the meaning of renter in Deutschland. Maybe we hate my not fighting like this. You will fight like this. Try yourself. If that Pakistan not drive you, if you don't run, leave you, call me bomb bastard. Try yourself. And I mark that word for you. I mark that word. That video I don't save and keep. If you don't run 440 for Germany, back to Italy when you forget Bele bomb for Pakistan, when you me. Not be to Reco. You don't ask Africa last lady why she not talk to me. You don't go ask her. When you say, oh, 10 working. No say no man go me go. Oh, man go we. When Pakistan we muyo wanu na ye gwale be obo. When me be. To we total we ba ye agwale be. My children is opa in Deutschland. I have father-in-law here. My children I be opa. Deutsche Grand Piquet. Are we mates? Are we mates? You know, as Africa last day, why she not talk to me? Because you know, say you going someone chance vehicle. They crazy. Now we they work. You know when my father-in-law don't they work for this country? You know how long? Now you want to go for renting. Go and ask the meaning of renting in Deutschland. School you didn't attend. Nothing. Come and say about be ranting your mouth as if you know it all. You know it all. You see, say they ask a question for social media. If I know anything I don't understand, I call my father-in-law. Daddy, this kind of thing will give me. If you know still to understand, go ask your woman, go give me the right answer. You Chris. Maybe we heck me working. You want loss. You want waka loss. I waka loss, eh? Waka loss on your own. Italy go, eh? Italy, I will not accept you again. Italy go, eh? We know who. When you wear na ye gwale baby bani. Me where this? You don't know. Okay, you don't know why they jealous me. Okay, you don't know why all those fights everywhere. Because I have father-in-law here. Because everything is very easy for me. You don't know. Oh my. Oh so. Hey yeah, it's a pity. It's a pity. Say you don't know, but me I explain some more to you. Are we the same? He said, no, people in they work. Now they're money that they crazy. You know when my mother they work? Mono work with my father-in-law don't work for this country. He served the country to the end. He served an to the he not cut the pension. He want rented. He serve and reach where government say he's supposed to reach. You don't know how much. Now flares in one day from now. But say me are you not descend? Who I got pay me working? You will be seeing picture upload where Zegbe the Chris. If I thought to me, go and wash your teeth, go and brush your mouth very well. Me you not be descend. They say if Ekita go use body compare atakpalakpa na bush the loss put who wish you are Ekita eyegbe takpalakpa oh how wish you eyegbe tame no wish you are who wa wish you are when you mo share one no mama why did you think my father-in-law respects me Roda we mag basha one no because all of you know oh na wa when go big agiane I'm not laughing the rest you don't really care oh wa big agiane na rita wa big agiane na emu me wo pa no ah say ona lele kokobiri e ma big agiane se fe e ma ye ya we mi agbon ya emotin ya u bia u then we ye win big agiane ya u nothing good shows out of it wa gbe o e ma ni ji wunu po e so ya we me go say ya do wa we po so ya we wo wa and so my hotel, so my company. What did you achieve? When you are not saying, me when come yesterday, I never do this, I never do that. You when you don't connect it with that, for yes, all your papa when see the smell for us, when I did. And I know you we are the multi get to the multi get where I feel. Mama tell better why we boy a bit of bubble when they sit on it. Everywhere issue when I bunu no wa can woo. Where the sitanera a babysitter or when you sit on your like flighty. Sissy, you're not bad to talk now. Since you have it all, your father still there, but go there, they suffer. Your mama still there, your sisters there, they are still there suffering. You do this. Why can't you bring them here? I've seen many people when get people for us. They are papa get one lady and I bring the mama and the papa come. They're there here. Now Ghanaian woman. They're there here, they never go. Why you not bring after many years when you don't spend for abroad, you after years when you don't spend, oh you whose family member you feel happy? Is it better to come outside and do nothing you get now? Wear tight cloth. For you to come outside wear tight cloth, your own is gone. You are finished. Wait a take. You go check all my videos. Go check all my videos. In fact, sit down, watch all of them. YouTube and Facebook. Since you are the one that look responsible. Go and check everything. If I have made a mistake of my shirt here, or my tight here, or my brat here. Presenter of our time. A presenter of our time. Oh, we break away table, man. You break table leg. You break table leg. You break table leg. Like, seriously. You break table leg. The most busted presenter that carry front of shirt to back. That carry, that put on clothes. That was saying, photo machen. The flight we're walking, the life will come down, it will go up. The teacher that was teaching people and lose God herself on social media, there was the photo machen. In fact, the thing can't even they blow alarm, the follower. They want to screenshot. They want to screenshot you. You know here. You see they do. The life begins at time. You were saying the beginning was the word and the word was with God. And the word was God. Oh, I can't Google. Shame and disgrace. You funny. This will be funny issue. I don't want to tell her life history for her to know that you no finish well. People will run away from mega design way. Don't you don't really know that. Nothing you will tell me when you go pay me. Because lovers, good people all over the world, they know the truth. Can you imagine? People will know the truth, we know that I was saying the truth. I didn't tell people that you offend me, but I just tried to say, you when you carry the issue, today Monica, today this one, today that one, today one person, you were using her name to shout. People refuse to say the truth, and all of you gang up to be bullying one person. So how did I make party there to say, no, it's not like this, to give you people one after the other? Then that one can't make una one call the romance. That one can't make una call the verse. It's so obvious. Say, the one way they use them, you don't even care about her. Leave her if you don't care about me. How does that concern you? That's supposed to be my headache, though. That one's supposed to be my headache. That one not supposed to concern you. Even if it's use me, not even use me. Now my mind that they use, and they say the truth. You understand? She's not using me. She's not here. Or my even evil looking for who want break down. She not get time for her. But because it's a say, she's doing good. I said no. I said no. That's why I start saying no. The bullying is too much. Then I come out for the truth. When you were insulting her, did she talk to you one day? Did she utter a word that say, oh, come here, you talk to me, then come here, let me give it to you? Did she do it one day? No. But you go and find her when she sits down. So me too, I find you when you sit down, 50-50. Ogbe sere not be 50-50. Ogbe sere not be 50. Yeah. 50-50 now. You give her when you not near you. Let me give you when you not near me. Well, my people. More I understand that so. You give her when she not know, you not call you, she not talk to you, she not near you. Let me still shook you. As you want the chuku and let me still chuku you. And I stand for the truth because we are a platform of truth. Why on our head top, that is the reason why a truth teller don't have friend. Because we always like to say the truth. Because we always like to talk as it be. No matter who that person is, we bring out the truth. We bring out the truth. Because I say the truth, all of una they cry. You tell that say me I had a quarrel. I am not a betrayer. That woman, she is not like that. She is not here. I have known many ways, many places. When I don't tell her, say, I bet this thing. One heart. No one talk even if now when can come be the worstest person for this earth, I will never betray her because of you people. I will never betray her because now be devil who don't work no myro. Even when I call what but everybody say that I'm not gonna leave her. You know why? I stand for the truth. Yes, she didn't send me because when she come out and said now she send well, now me send her more. When I still come after her, say now she send me. And the truth, she come out to talk. I will always stand for the truth. She too, she stand for the truth as well. When you say the truth, even though you be friend, they go still tell you. Now so me I be. I don't say because say you be my friend. See you say, oh man, they smell. Go say you know they smell because say I don't want to tell you the truth because I'm a liar. No. Now so. That doesn't mean that because you said the truth, that one you come and say, now he send you or you and I come be 5 and 6. Now so now be. Now when I get that evil crew when I tell the gang got to bring somebody down. She don't even know if you people are existing. So if you now coming out and be crying today, say, me talk to you. When you almost sit down and want to go the shukushu, and when you carry all that gas sit down, they say, it must be DNA test. Picking when you not born. What be a money? What era abu what boy? Now you be a family. You don't know a DNA test. After that, you say you don't forget. You don't say, oh shit, they forget. Oh, pack cannot they forget. Or not listen. Or give me a me. You say, Mona never talk. Mona live, Mona not let this matter. Mona not talk now. May not be saying they not die this matter down. May not go there, may they not go there. You forget when they talk. She talk to you. Not be after you curse her. When be say she don't want reply you. It got too much. Only once now, I don't say she don't talk to you. Only once. Everyone here. I be hona to see. I be head down na bomba here. But when they say to wash shower, the kind of they say you know they do for road work. All of you now, when I did the crew, now shower in your working. And they so that they bring on herself down for road work. Now I see they do so. You don't look at the way you did the crew so when they found the one break down all of them are chishi. Life not better than. Okay, because I come out to say the truth. When you were shooking her, did she talk to you? Did she look for your problem? Did she find trouble? Or did she insult you? Did she talk to you? But you continue to deal with her. Like say they carry her matter put for your hand. You continue to deal with her. Even easy, can't even use her brain past you. I love that lady so much. They were trying to manipulate Easy, but Easy quickly noticed something. Said no. She said it in one video. Said they want to use her to insult somebody when you not talk to her. Oh, when I see that video, I say, oh, this lady is nice. If you remember that video, when her matter they go on, she said it. She said, I cannot help going to be bully who not talk to me. Really, she's not like that. Okay, now. God the heaven when he good, when he know the truth. Now he send me, can't give una. Not be person, God they send, come meet person. Not be person, God they send, come meet person. Now God person, God they send, go help somebody now. My own content different. Now God give me the power, the wisdom, the knowledge to disconnect from our faculty. Now you people are crying. Now God give me the power to give una to. And also now my own the pain now. Do you think I will step down? I want my one not finish. Even if today I can say relax, maybe I don't want to do live video again. Or maybe let me give you this expo before I will go around top now. Maybe I don't want to do live video again. I can say I don't want to do it. I want my own. I can't Google. They're not born you rich me, can't use me do shoot them mama fly. I'm a biera bijou son we hena yime we shoot them mama fly. Imana go down ni bueje ke come bon pastor. Imana go ne ravi joadi we talera no era no danyo no ro wa no te kankan hia ni unwega ime. Bye. Did you look me like women that you can push here? Shatter sit there policeman. You say you the colo. Where me want not colo there? Even if I don't want to do this live video, you say na me you want to do like imana when ya say no rowa. Me not get to you want go lock come for us you want pay me. Oh, you don't know Vera. Where I give me you where show example in social media. Allah. Me and your matter go enter BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera go carry. Uzuo. Uma wanu de yaku. Now that ground you pass, now up you pass, you fly. I don't care to know where you want to pass. Imana where he James, you know where get James Mabio say, "Damn reggae." Yan Africa Jama last lady anyway. Titodo ye leme. Uzuo. Urera. You crazy way you go pass on that ground. Make me pass on the ground, pass up, come meet you. May I dive you like hawk. Imana go da ogbo ye ke ya gbo ginera bijue. Unwega ma bien say. Uzuo. Uwe when you without di mebegbe. You shut. Go and relax. You go sit down, please. So that's it, guys. I'm about to go right now. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. So I just come out to say the truth. Nothing but the truth. So if the truth I talk, they make you cry, it's a pity that you are crying because of the truth I stand on. Because I'm not letting them know you can't go up against one person, they beat and like say na baby. If now you, they will do you. If now you, they will do you. Or I will way. That day, if you can't eat belly. Oh, my phone, you're dead outside. No. Oh, at the call. Oh, say pick your call. Mommy, at the call. Oh. At the call. Oh, my phone, you're dead outside. I'm not your car on your body. Oh, don't call tire. I'm on vest. Mommy, get call. Make any lady. What get? Hello.
Hello, my darling brother. Good morning.
Good morning, my lady. How you doing?
I'm fine. Oh, good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Why, Monica, they greet you now.
Vera, my darling. They say one of the things where the jealousy you put be say, some of the things wrong go YouTube. Now only you want see they get super chats. I bet when you want go YouTube, I feel like super chatting you.
Oh my darling mommy Monica Ozo.
When you want go YouTube, signal me.
Oh,
I
problem.
super chat you because you be your guy. I know all of them way wrong go YouTube. They say now only you want. Apart from me, say now only you want see the
Get super chat. Oh, so the pepper.
Nobody the super
Chat
chat.
there.
They say super chat now €6. Bayahu, our here at the former senior boy. Here they
Yeah, the smell.
You too more.
Thank you.
Only you you call Facebook now, wala. You don't do your thing. You don't get this one. You got get that one. The one that get support at that day. We all don't support you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Report a YouTube, Facebook.
And I reported Facebook where that with the matter. Ah, God.
Me, I worry because you tell me, but I am an app, you know, because you are a term of back by no man, you know, because no wrong. Or tenere, not my way, no, you have tenere, you have got to money, you have got bow, religion, you have got more, you want. I got you in that gear, and I will. On a one, set it on the net,
Deji.
One more, you will be hard, no matter more Panama. The one sick life, the one on I get sense, but I don't feel carry one better man. I will just go die. If me, mommy, say I be bring my husband come out, you don't wish. I'll just go die.
Oh. Thank you.
For me, I'll go say the gala, not like Zera so. All your people here are a family are everything about sa, all your boy, any fear. Not all these people will carry anything carry, so I get my
Thank you, mommy.
My darling, that's why I know they talk to them. If person tell you say, Zera, you know rich, I know talk to you. I better remind them.
Okay.
Then they say that's how they know rich. When money cannot be talk to them. Also.
Yes.
I don't because see that's not the talk to person when they wear tear cloth. When we get where they throw away. Every 3 months.
Can you imagine?
Yeah,
get
50 euro, you're selling dead, because we are 50 euro, like you're saying 50. All the new women, you joy, you joy. If I was a man, to move a shop, where you have to say,
no.
50 euro for 50.
I say, mommy, I was a pair with video, I get a film of his school. Mom.
Okay, my darling. Why are YouTube? I feel like super chatting you.
Okay. All right, now, bye-bye, you. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, bye.